Did you know that a small addition to your daily diet could lead to significant improvements in your overall health? Imagine experiencing fewer bouts of indigestion, feeling more energized, and even seeing changes in your waistline, all from incorporating a single ingredient. Today, we're exploring the astonishing effects of ginger on the body when consumed every day. From its potent anti-inflammatory properties to its ability to support digestion and boost the immune system, ginger is truly a nutritional powerhouse with a myriad of health benefits. In this video, we'll uncover the science behind ginger's transformative effects, revealing just how impactful this humble root can be on your well-being. Get ready to be amazed by the shocking results of adding ginger to your daily routine. And if you're intrigued by the potential health benefits of this remarkable spice, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more eye-opening insights into the world of natural health and wellness. 1. The nutritional powerhouse of ginger. Ginger, beyond its culinary uses and distinct flavor, is packed with essential nutrients and bioactive compounds that contribute to its remarkable health benefits. This unassuming root has been treasured for centuries in traditional medicine for its healing properties. Ginger is rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, magnesium, and manganese. These nutrients play vital roles in supporting various bodily functions, from immune function to nerve and muscle health. Additionally, ginger contains potent bioactive compounds such as gingerol, shogaol, and peridol, which are responsible for many of its medicinal properties, including its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. It's the combination of these nutrients and bioactive compounds that gives ginger its nutritional powerhouse status. Together, they work synergistically to support overall health and wellness, making ginger a valuable addition to any diet. Despite its impressive nutritional profile, it's essential to note that the bioavailability of ginger's active compounds may vary depending on factors such as preparation method and individual metabolism. Consuming ginger in its raw form or as a concentrated supplement may enhance its bioavailability and maximize its benefits. 2. Digestive health boost. Have you ever experienced the discomfort of indigestion or bloating after a meal? Ginger might just be the solution you've been looking for. Beyond its culinary appeal, ginger has long been revered for its ability to support digestive health, offering relief from a range of gastrointestinal woes. Ginger's primary mechanism of action lies in its ability to stimulate digestive enzymes, promoting efficient digestion and alleviating symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. Its carminative properties help relax the intestinal muscles, easing the passage of food through the digestive tract. Additionally, ginger's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract, providing relief from conditions such as gastritis and acid reflux. Ginger has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for nausea and motion sickness. Its active compounds, particularly gingerol, act on the digestive system's receptors, helping to alleviate feelings of queasiness and prevent vomiting. Whether you're dealing with morning sickness during pregnancy or feeling queasy during a long car ride, ginger can offer quick and effective relief. Regular consumption of ginger has been shown to improve gastric motility, ensuring the smooth movement of food through the digestive tract. This can help prevent constipation and promote regularity, supporting overall digestive health. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is the body's natural response to injury or infection, but when it becomes chronic, it can contribute to a host of health issues, including heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. Fortunately, ginger offers a natural solution for combating inflammation and promoting overall wellness. Ginger contains several bioactive compounds, including gingerol, shogaol, and peridol, which possess potent anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds work by inhibiting pro-inflammatory pathways in the body, reducing the production of inflammatory molecules that contribute to chronic inflammation. Studies have shown that ginger can help reduce joint pain and stiffness in individuals with osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Its anti-inflammatory effects may help alleviate symptoms and improve mobility, offering a natural alternative to conventional pain relievers. Additionally, ginger's antioxidant properties help neutralize free radicals, which can contribute to joint damage and inflammation, further supporting joint health. Chronic inflammation is a key contributor to cardiovascular disease, the leading cause of death worldwide. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties may help protect against heart disease by reducing inflammation in the arteries and improving blood circulation. By lowering levels of inflammatory markers such as C-reactive protein, CRP, and interleukin-6, IL-6, ginger may help lower the risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular events. Chronic inflammation can weaken the immune system, making the body more susceptible to infections and illnesses. By reducing inflammation, ginger may help support immune function and enhance the body's ability to fight off pathogens. 4. Immune system support. Your immune system is your body's first line of defense against pathogens, toxins, and other harmful invaders. Ginger, with its rich array of bioactive compounds, offers a natural way to strengthen and support immune function, helping your body fend off illness and stay resilient. Ginger contains compounds like gingerol and zingerone, which have been shown to stimulate the production and activity of immune cells, including macrophages and T lymphocytes. These cells play crucial roles in identifying and neutralizing foreign invaders, helping to prevent infections and maintain immune balance. By enhancing the function of these immune cells, ginger can bolster your body's defenses and improve its ability to fight off infections, viruses, and bacteria. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to cellular damage and inflammation. Ginger's antioxidant properties help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and supporting overall immune health. By reducing oxidative damage to immune cells, ginger may help enhance their function and longevity, contributing to a stronger and more resilient immune system. Chronic inflammation can weaken the immune system and increase the risk of infections and autoimmune diseases. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the respiratory and gastrointestinal tracts, where many immune responses occur. By calming inflammation, ginger can help regulate immune function and prevent it from becoming overactive or dysregulated, supporting a balanced and effective immune response. 5. Cardiovascular benefits. Ginger, with its potent array of bioactive compounds, offers a natural way to support cardiovascular health, protecting against heart disease and promoting optimal function. High levels of LDL cholesterol, often referred to as bad cholesterol, can increase the risk of heart disease and stroke. Studies have shown that ginger may help lower LDL cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of plaque buildup in the arteries and improving cardiovascular health. By inhibiting cholesterol absorption in the intestines and promoting its excretion from the body, ginger can help maintain healthy cholesterol levels and support heart function. Ginger's vasodilatory properties help relax and widen blood vessels, improving blood circulation throughout the body. This can reduce the risk of blood clots, lower blood pressure, and enhance oxygen and nutrient delivery to tissues and organs, including the heart. By improving circulation, ginger may help prevent cardiovascular issues such as atherosclerosis, peripheral artery disease, and coronary artery disease. High blood pressure, or hypertension, is a significant risk factor for heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular complications. Ginger's ability to relax blood vessels and improve circulation may help lower blood pressure levels, reducing strain on the heart and protecting against hypertension-related damage. Studies have shown that ginger supplementation can lead to modest reductions in both systolic and diastolic blood pressure, making it a promising natural remedy for hypertension. Additionally, ginger's ability to improve cholesterol levels, lower blood pressure, and enhance circulation further supports its role in preventing heart disease and promoting cardiovascular wellness. 6. Weight management aid. Ginger contains compounds like gingerol and shogal that have been shown to increase thermogenesis, the process by which the body generates heat and burns calories. By boosting metabolism, ginger can help increase calorie expenditure, making it easier to achieve and maintain a healthy weight. Additionally, ginger's ability to improve digestion and nutrient absorption may further support metabolic function, enhancing overall energy expenditure. Feelings of hunger and cravings can derail even the most well-intentioned weight loss efforts. Fortunately, ginger may help curb appetite and reduce calorie intake by promoting feelings of fullness and satiety. Studies have shown that ginger supplementation can lead to a significant reduction in hunger and food intake, particularly when consumed before meals. Stable blood sugar levels are essential for weight management, as spikes and crashes can lead to increased hunger and cravings. Ginger has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity and reducing insulin resistance. By promoting better blood sugar control, ginger may help prevent overeating and support weight loss efforts. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall metabolic health. Ginger's anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties may help promote a healthy balance of gut bacteria, supporting optimal digestive function and weight management. 7. Potential side effects and considerations. While ginger is generally regarded as safe for most people when consumed in moderate amounts, it's essential to be aware of potential side effects and considerations, particularly for those with certain medical conditions or sensitivities. In some individuals, consuming large amounts of ginger or taking ginger supplements may cause gastrointestinal discomfort, including stomach upset, heartburn, or diarrhea. Starting with a small dose and gradually increasing intake can help minimize these side effects. Ginger may interact with certain medications, including blood thinners, anticoagulants, and medications for diabetes and high blood pressure. It's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before using ginger supplements, especially if you're taking prescription medications or have underlying health conditions. While rare, allergic reactions to ginger can occur in some individuals, particularly those with allergies to other plants in the Zingiberaceae family, such as turmeric or cardamom. Symptoms of an allergic reaction may include itching, swelling, or difficulty breathing. If you experience any allergic symptoms after consuming ginger, discontinue use and seek medical attention. Ginger's remarkable properties make it a true powerhouse for health and wellness, offering a myriad of benefits from supporting digestion to enhancing cardiovascular health and aiding in weight management. However, it's essential to use ginger responsibly, considering potential side effects and interactions with medications. By incorporating ginger into your daily routine with awareness and moderation, you can harness its incredible potential to improve your overall well-being. Join us on our journey to explore more of nature's wonders and unlock the secrets to vibrant health. Don't miss out on our upcoming content. Subscribe to our channel for regular updates and valuable insights into natural health and wellness.